vapor, smoke, etc., etc. So, air pollution is the any addition of physical, chemical, biological properties of atmospheric air. So, ambient air quality means that concentration of air over the city that attributes classified as further below zero. So, yung ambient air quality, yung namin sa second system. Tapos, siyempre, department natin yung epoprovide means that yung geographic basic instrument for flowers. So, yung nakakita ng epoprovide, yung mga nakalapit sa kalikata. Yung nakasala yung mga maraming puso, sobrang maraming pollution. Tapos, emission means that any air contaminant, pollutant, gas stream, or unwanted sound from known source. Halimbawa, nagsakit tayo, siyempre, sobrang malakas pa. Nagkatawag sa iyo, siyempre, sobrang lakas yung ingay, sana asama siya. So, yung pollution. Tapos, greenhouse gases. So, greenhouse, paano ba tayo generate oxide of nitrogen that affects global warming? Tapos, yung mga hazardous substances, like na mga ethos, mga post, o yan, mga pupils, infectious waste galing sa hospital, na tinatawag kung saan lang. Like yung infectious mobile source, mga mobile, di ba? Sorry niya ng pollution, yung detect, pagtawa.
Pag video. What's that?
Ito yung mga ozone gases as determined by Department of Health. Yung factor. Ano ba mas maganda? Isip o gas? Diba? Tapos yung mga poisonous like mercury, nickel, ganyan. Pollution controlled by effect of that. So, we have a pollution control technology and standard of performance and stational source. So, yung chapter 2, chapter 2, air quality management system. Air quality control and information network.
May natutunan ako sa Miss Miguel. Wala. Sira ulo na.
So, yung department, shall prepare annual report for